Hi, my name is Brian. My program is Your Body Never Lies. This is a personal growth program, and it has to do with body language. It has to do with your internal body language and the body language you project to the world. The training aspect of this work is specifically designed to show you and teach you intellectually, right, with math, how and why your body misfiles memories. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about or what this means, come to my website, click the links, and see my videos on YouTube. You should have some idea of what I'm talking about. Right, that's where you're going to get it from. This training, it's specifically designed to return control to you over how and when and why your memories are accessed. And until you do this training, my guess is that you do not have control over your memories. And by control or lack of control, what I mean is that you get triggered. Something reminds you of some old upset, and then your body gets mad based on an old upset, as opposed to simply enjoying what's actually happening right now in the moment. This work gets rid of triggers and gets rid of programming, and it returns our sense of self and our sense of control over who we are, returns it right here at home. The training for the information is simply a weekend class. It's 5 hours Saturday and 5 hours Sunday. And in this class, you figure out exactly how, when, and why you mistrained yourself as a child to file your memories in a way that your body thinks they're still happening right now. And when you do this weekend workshop and you figure this out and understand how all this happens within you, you then have homework and you have some time to actually apply the information to make it work for you. Or you take the class again, you repeat it, which many people do. Our bodies trust repetition, so repeating the class could actually be a pretty good idea. If you like the class and you want to go further, there's a 10-month teacher training / personal growth program that teaches you how to teach that workshop, that first workshop. It'll show you how to teach it yourself in your own way and, of course, under your own banner. The information covers imagination or imagineering, manifestation. We cover all aspects of communication and understanding. We cover avoiding upsets. We cover, of course, all the math that you learn in the workshop, and also how to present and how to handle difficulties that arise. It's only 10 months, and then you could be teaching that class. If you'd like to see what the class looks like, just come to class. And if you can't come to class, there is an online workshop. I've put the entire workshop online as a series of 5 to 8 minute videos that you can watch at your leisure. It's about 6 weeks to get through that first workshop. And when you take the workshop and you suddenly realize that your mind is quieter than it used to be, or you suddenly realize that you don't get as upset as you used to, or certain people don't upset you anymore the way they used to, or maybe you'll find out that you like yourself a lot more than you used to. When you get to that place, that's a wonderful place to be. That is what the workshop is for. Take the online workshop or start the online workshop, see what you can get out of it. If you can, come to the weekend workshop and get a handle on getting control of your mind and your mind's desire to constantly perpetuate your past out here in front of you. And if you like to teach other people how to do it, or if you'd like to go deeper and really get a handle on how this all works, take the 10-month program. It's great. There's one running right now. We're about halfway through, and I suspect the next one will start in maybe April or May of 2019. And yeah, so send an email, find out when that starts. Weekend workshops can happen anywhere. I simply need, 15, 16 people minimum, and I will travel to do the workshop. Less than that, I don't know. I'd rather you come to me. Anyway, that's the workshop side of training. I hope that answers any questions you might have. I'll write on the board what we have, though. It's a 6-week online workshop, which is free and on YouTube. You get to it by going to the website and clicking the links. There's no ads, it's free, there's no registration. You just do it at your own pace, however you want to do it. There's a weekend workshop, which is a live class. And I don't have one scheduled right now. I'm just moved. I was hoping to have one here in January, February, but the whole moving in thing is kind of up in the air. So we'll see what happens with that. The other option is the 10-month program. So this one's free. This one's inexpensive. This one's also inexpensive. Just costs more because it's longer. Please find out what you can, join however you can, and ask whatever questions you have. My interest is in getting you through this material so that you can enjoy a happy, fun life without suffering. Or I should say without perpetual suffering, because this isn't going to end all suffering. But it's going to put the kibosh, it's going to put the period and end any old suffering. You don't have to drag stuff forward with you. You can learn how to leave the past in the past. And you can start on YouTube. Please do. I hope to see you someday soon, online or in person. Would be wonderful. Thank you.